With the midterms looming later this year, today the Supreme Court heard arguments in a case which could determine which ballots get counted and which ones don't. Reporter Mike Emanuel has those details.
How late is too late for a mail-in ballot to count? That was the topic of debate Monday at the nation's highest court. The practice has long been a thorn in President Trump's side.
Mail-in ballots, they're so corrupt.
At odds is a Mississippi law that allows ballots postmarked by Election Day to be counted up to 5 days later. The court's conservative justices were skeptical, expressing concerns that late arriving ballots could be susceptible to fraud or even just the suspicion of fraud.
If the apparent winner the morning after the election ends up losing due to late arriving ballots, charges of a rigged election could explode.
Justice Sonia Sotomayor suggested that's already happened when then Governor George W. Bush overcame an Election Day deficit to Al Gore in 2000 with the help of Florida's absentee ballots.
The ballots have to be in by Election Day. I would say
maybe we should have another president now, because wasn't it in Florida that they were counting military votes after receipt?
so. With all due respect, that is the reddest of red herrings.
The court's liberal justices also questioned whether strict deadlines could work in reverse and impact early voting as well.
Your argument is rooted in this notion that if we're going to have an election day, that's the day when everything is supposed to happen.
The Trump administration says that's not something it wants to do, arguing that early voting is protected by historical precedent.
There can be a process where ballots are being received earlier, but that ballot box has to close on Election Day.
A ruling is expected by July, just in time to impact the midterms.